Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you ice cream pop nail art design step by step guide. A summer manicure that will satisfy the biggest sweet tooth. If you want to create your nails look like as a ice cream pop nail, so please follow my step by step guide. Step number 1 is start by painting each of your nails with brightly colored nail polishes. Step number 2, using a thin nail art brush and a white nail polish. After that, paint the tips of your nails. This will look exactly like a brightly colored French manicure. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a dark orange nail polish. Draw a long thin oval shape in the center of your tips to make the pops stick. Step number 4, remove all the extra nail polish if landed on your skin with nail remover easily. Step number 4, colored all the nails with different color like blue, green, yellow and pink color as well. Step number 4, fifth is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. And if you want to make the cone nail art, so you should have to follow the instruction about the cone design in dotting tool. First of all, make the cone in nails and color accordingly. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel.